My approach is quite different from anything else you will find online. And now, why is that? And what I typically see online is you have two ends of the spectrum, basically, where on the one hand, you have the people talking about these low-code and no-code tools, not really getting into the specific, the theoretical part. And then on the other hand, you have the more classical approaches towards artificial intelligence and machine learning, where people really get into the mathematics and the statistics, giving you roadmaps where you really have to get theoretical first. I'm a firm believer of learning by doing, reverse engineering, things that people have already done, putting in practice, and then trying to fill in the gaps. And now the technical roadmap that I'm going to provide to you will really focus on the fundamentals that you need in order to get started in either artificial intelligence, data science, or anything in between. Like I've said, I've worked in all of these fields over the past 10 years, and I've really identified the core techniques, workflows, and tools that you need in order to get started, regardless of what you want to do. So this will work for you if you just want to build applications with large language models and LangChain, for example, but it will also work if you aspire to become a data scientist or a machine learning engineer. Now, the actual first step that I would focus on my AI journey would be to set up my work environment. Now, what does this mean? So Python is the go-to language that we have to learn if you want to get started in AI or in data science. But the thing is, if you learn Python, if you start to follow these tutorials online, videos, training videos, courses even, you can quite quickly understand Python and how it works because it's one of the easiest languages to get started with. But I found in my personal journey that there's this initial bump where you see things online and you see people run some code, but then you are missing some information on, okay, but how do I now actually do this on my laptop, on my computer? And I would really focus on this first, setting up an environment on your laptop, on your computer, where you have an application, a program, and a Python installation that you are confident with.